Hey there, welcome back to another video of TakeNote. In today's video, we will be taking a look into the skies to learn more about the atmosphere. So what exactly is the atmosphere? The atmosphere is a mixture of gases surrounding the planet. On Earth, the atmosphere is crucial to making life possible. The atmosphere shields us from harmful UV radiation, allows for liquid water to exist on Earth, and even shields the Earth from meteors. Most of atmospheric mass is located close to Earth's surface, about 15 kilometers high. The gases that comprise the atmosphere are split into portions of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.9% argon, and 0.1% of other gases such as carbon dioxide and water vapor. There are 5 layers of the Earth's atmosphere: the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Each layer is marked by a different gradient of temperature as a function of altitude. The lowest level of the atmosphere, the troposphere, stretches from about 7 to 15 kilometers from the surface. Temperatures in the troposphere decrease with altitude. The troposphere is thickest near the equator and is far thinner at the polar regions. About 75 to 80% of the atmosphere is contained in the troposphere, which makes it very dense in relation to the other parts of the atmosphere. Most of the water vapor, dust, and ash in the atmosphere lay in this layer, which means it is where most clouds exist. Most planes also fly in the troposphere, and the top layer of this layer is called the tropopause. The next layer of the atmosphere is called the stratosphere, and it reaches to an altitude of approximately 50 kilometers. Unlike the troposphere, temperatures increase with altitude in the stratosphere. Much of this temperature change is due to the ozone layer, a high concentration of ozone which absorbs incoming solar radiation and shields life on Earth from harmful UV rays. The top of the stratosphere is called the stratopause, and the stratosphere is also the highest part of the atmosphere that jet planes can travel, and it's also where stratospheric balloons rest. The third level of Earth's atmosphere is the mesosphere, which reaches as far as 85 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Like the troposphere, temperatures decrease in the mesosphere with altitude. The coldest temperatures in the atmosphere lie in the mesosphere at about -90 degrees Celsius. The mesosphere is where meteors burn up as they crash to the Earth, and most rockets and rocket-powered aircraft can reach this level of the Earth's atmosphere. The next level of the atmosphere is the thermosphere, which reaches out to around 600 kilometers above Earth's surface. The thermosphere is similar to the stratosphere in that as altitude increases, so does the temperature. Solar radiation makes the upper part of the thermosphere very hot, sometimes reaching 2000 degrees Celsius. The aurora borealis occurs here, while the International Space Station maintains its orbit in this region of the sky. The last layer of atmosphere is the exosphere, which can stretch to over 10,000 kilometers high. This uppermost layer blends with outer space and has a gravitational pull so small, molecules of gas can escape into outer space. An interesting fact about this level is that most of Earth's satellites orbit at this level, monitoring our activities here on Earth. That's all for today's videos, folks. I can't wait to see you guys back again for another episode of Take Note.